hi everyone, it's me again, Nicole, your go-to Bulacan Realtor. And for today, it's October already, guys. So of course, let's have first and foremost October 2023 most recent update for the best-selling townhouse in the rising city of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, none other than Regent Heights by Pinnacle Homes Realty and Development Corporation. So guys, as you know, this is a very strategic location along the road, one ride to Quezon City and Metro Manila, flood-free at through Pag-ibig financing. For today guys, let's focus sa update ng construction. In terms of land development, mapakita ko sa inyo mamaya, halos tapos na siya. Itong nasa likod ko, syempre ayan yung ating dress-up model, actual turnover unit, ang engineering office, ang sales office, diba guys? So lakad-lakad po tayo, tignan natin dito. Kung gusto nyo makita yung loob, diba, marami akong vlog or video dyan sa channel ko, check nyo lang po para makita nyo yung iba kong vlog sa Regent Heights. Pero ngayon, tignan natin yung construction update. So dito, makita nyo naman, tapos naman na yung yung land dev natin. Kaya ako naisip na maglakad-lakad tayo guys, kasi meron akong nabalitaan na dito pala ay meron ng lumipat. O diba? May nakalipat na. Kahit hindi pa siya totally tapos, diba? Nakakatuwa yung pagiging flexible ng ating developer. Yung mga unang nakakuha doon sa ready for occupancy na slot, diba may dalawang block, yung 10 tsaka 12, na sold out na ha. Sold out na yung RFO. Pre-selling po yung ino-offer natin dito, yung 24 months down payment, okay? Kaya mas mura yun, kasi mas mahal yung RFO, diba? Dito guys, magtatayo tayo dito ng jogging path, jogging trail. Yung body of water or river dyan guys, hindi yan umaapaw. Lagi lang yan nandoon sa level na yun kahit may bagyo. Malinis yan, hindi yan mabaho. Actually, aesthetic po siya ng subdivision ng project. Sobrang ganda niya. Yung block 12 na sold out na kahit hindi pa tapos yung phase sa harap, meron ng lumipat, o diba? Alam nyo guys, maganda talaga sa Regent Heights kasi konti lang kayo, exclusive subdivision, 4.5 hectare, tapos 400 plus lang yung units. Magkakaroon pa ng commercial units dito guys. In fact, open na yung commercial units natin. Kung yun yung gusto nyo guys, through in-house financing siya, from 4 million lang yung commercial units. Pwede nyo akong kontakin kung gusto nyo yung malapit sa entrance gate, amenities na may commercial units tayo, meron tayo nyan guys. Meron din akong vlog separate for that. So ayun nga si Block 10 na RFO, yan nakita nyo naman, diba? Halos tapos na yun guys. Tapos, ito yung Block 12. Yan, kanya diba? Block 12 na meron ng lumipat at meron na tayong, ito patapos na tong isang corner dito na client ko yung nakakuha niyan. Almost, na yan, ready na rin yan. Matatapos na yan. Parang na siya. Yung dito na part, almost 100% na. Yung dito na dinadagdag, mga pa 50%. Ganun. Paikot lang, nakikita nyo naman diba, as we go, as I walk here, lang talaga siya, ganito lang yung ating project, paikot lang siya na ganun, 4.5 hectare, kaya hindi siya magiging crowded, maganda siya sa mga gusto na medyo tahimik, pero at the same time, malapit sa lahat, tapos one ride pag pupunta ka ng Quezon City, tsaka Manila, at syempre yung pwede sa Pag-ibig financing guys, diba? So guys, all you need to do is to have 2 valid IDs, your proof of income. You need to have a TIN number, verified 1904 form, birth or marriage certificate, any proof of billing. Pwede na po kayong mag-reserve sa Regent Heights, pero bawal mag-walk-in. Kailangan mo akong kontakin, okay? You can see my Viber and WhatsApp number there. My other contact details, Messenger, Instagram, email, whatever, it's in the description below. So you just have to contact me directly guys for the viewing. Only 15,000 reservation. And again, ang ating total contract price from 3.1 million only guys. So, kung gusto nyo pong makakuha ng slot, may nag-iisang corner unit, dalawang end unit na natitira, yun na lang po, Block 11, mas malapit na sa entrance gate yung nag-open. Kaya naman guys, October 2023, i-reserve mo na ang iyong Regent Heights bago pa ito mas-sold out. At malapit na pong maging highly urbanized city ang San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, so mas magtataas pa lahat ng properties dito. I hope to see you. Thank you!